The ESW series from WEG is a line of magnetic motor starters that are ideal for protecting and operating motors. The start and stop push buttons on the front face of the device offer simple manual control when needed. These devices have a maximum horsepower rating of 75 horsepower at 460 volts AC, with an operational voltage rating of 600 volts. Their metallic Type 1 enclosures offer UL 508A protection, making them suitable for use in applications such as pumps, compressors, blowers, cutting machines, conveyors, and many more. The ESW series starters are all pre-wired from the factory and are recommended for all single and three-phase applications where magnetic starters can be applied. Features of these starters include high horsepower ratings in 4 compact sizes, fast acceleration and high initial torque, Class 10 bimetallic overload relays, adjustable trip current, ambient temperature compensation, phase loss sensitivity protection, selectable manual or automatic reset, electrically isolated normally open and normally closed auxiliary contacts, and an easy installation and setup. For more on WEG's ESW series motor starters and other WEG solutions, visit